2020 Hyundai Accent. With less than 73,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!